Hello, I saw your question here in the email. I laid out the picture, angle A is 35 degrees. You told me angle B is 45, angle C is 105 degrees, and the angle opposite A, 7 centimeters. You were trying to figure out how the angle opposite B, called it lowercase b, so you gave the law of sines, lowercase a over sine of A equals lowercase b over sine of B. That's law of sines. And so 7 degrees over the sine of 35, 7 degrees over sine of 35 here, would equal b over the sine of 40 degrees. So I multiply each side by the sine of 40, and we have that, and you seem to, you could also write it as this way, which is what you emailed me. 7 sine of 40 degrees is 4.5 roughly, which is what you emailed to me. But the item you seem to be forgetting is this sine of 35 in the denominator. Once you divide that by sine of 35, you get the answer that you're kind of expecting, 7.845. Hope that helps.